I have the Xiaomi Smart Band 8 Pro and I'll be showing you how to measure blood oxygen. So what you want to do is go to the blood oxygen app. So if you swipe up from the bottom of the screen, that reveals your app's page and you should see the blood oxygen icon, which is this white circle with the blue and red dots. Tap on that. That opens the blood oxygen page. From here to measure, just tap on measure. And then it's going to prompt you to wear your smart band snug on your wrist, minimize movement, and allow it to measure. So keep still. Still waiting. There you go, it's done and it says 95%, so I can tap on OK. If I want to measure again, all I have to do is tap on measure. Now if I scroll down here, I do have some settings. Now if I go into those settings, I can enable all day tracking, which means the smart band will keep checking the blood oxygen level automatically over the whole day. So if I enable that, I'll just have to tap on that check mark to confirm that all day tracking is going to be enabled. Now, while your smart band checks your blood oxygen level all day, you can also set low blood oxygen alerts so that when your blood oxygen goes below a certain point, maybe below 80%, then your phone will notify you. So you can set it to 80% and then go back. Okay. So that's basically how to measure blood oxygen on your Xiaomi Smart Band 8 Pro. Now, alternatively, instead of going to the apps to get the blood oxygen icon, you can just go to widgets if you have that widget and find it in the widget section and tap on it from there. Either way, it's gonna work. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below and good luck.